Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off charging vibration in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. While you connect your phone with charging, that is charger, there will be a small vibration you experience. Yes, I am experience one vibration. Okay, so if you would like to turn off this charging vibration, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to settings of our phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select system vibration and turn off the button against charging. Okay, now you will not get charging vibration. Okay, now I am connecting my phone to charger. There is no vibration as of now. So in this way you can easily turn off charging vibration. If you would like to keep the charging vibration again, you can revert back. Just go to the same settings, sounds and vibration, then system vibration, and turn on charging. Okay, now you will get charging vibration. So if you would like to turn off charging vibration, just turn off this button charging, and if you would like to get charging vibration, then turn on this button. Okay, so in this way you can easily control charging vibration in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.